Hi everyone, it's LlesiSea. I'm from Puerto Rico, but I live in Japan and I'm an artist. Today we're going to review and unbox, not in that order, the LimoStudio 2-point lighting. Let's get started. So the lights were secure when they came, nothing was damaged during the packaging, and it actually came fairly quickly. And I also brought this with me to Japan in an airport and in the airplane with me, so again, I was just really glad that these giant light bulbs that you see right now were not damaged at all. Otherwise, there's just a lot of screwing and adjusting things when you're setting this up. And here you just gotta tape it to that Velcro part and you're good.
Many hours later.
So this was the first setup that I had actually. I was pretty happy with it. Lighting is perfect. This is where I put my cell phone, and I'm gonna add a ring light right about now. It's an amazing ring light, but follow the instructions. And I change it again, and again, and again. This part of the pole was very good holding the lights, but sometimes they were a little bit wobbly.
4 to 6 days later.
So this is the new setup. We rearranged our furniture, so I had to put it in here. Otherwise, everything is the same. Overall, I would say these are really good lights. They are a little bit big, so sometimes I do feel like my space became smaller. But like I said, they're very good. They do what they said they were going to do, and I really do recommend them. Anyway, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this. Let me know down in the comments below if you like this or not. You can also head over to my Instagram for more behind the scenes. And you can also go over here to my Redbubble to see some of my products. That's all for now, and I'll see you next time.